Hi, this is Kyle Green with the Green Mortgage Team. I'm here to talk to you today about building a long-term strategy. We always ask what your game plan is. If you don't have one, we'll help you build one. If you have one, we're happy to review it with you. A plan for buying 10 plus properties is a very different game plan than somebody who wants to buy one and see how it goes. We need to talk about things like company name versus personal name, how to access capital, where that's going to come from, where to buy, what to buy. Keep in mind that incorporating after you have 3 or 4 properties can be very expensive due to capital gains and property transfer tax costs. By sitting down with our clients and going through a full analysis of where they're at today and where they want to be in 5 or 10 years, we can make sure that you're on track and we can bridge that gap between today and tomorrow.